Model, 2017 Vauxhall Combo 2300 L1H1 Cdti SSE Flex ULEZ Compliant Spares OR Repairs Starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 172845. MOT, 27 March 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfects, bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, this is perfect to make it into a very cheap ULEZ van. Smiling face. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for